Today I'm going to show you how to unpair Sony SmartWatch 2 from your device. So, starting off, you will, assuming it's connected, you can do it in two different ways. Number one is through Bluetooth. So if you hold the Bluetooth, here you can just tap on the gear and forget. That's the first method. Or the second one is when you're in the application, which I just launched. As you can see, it's SmartWatch 2 right here. You can hold it, and from here you get the option to remove from Smart Connect. So just tap on it, delete, and OK, and cancel, and now the device will reboot because it needs to basically reboot every time it's either connected or disconnected from the device. So it works the same way if you would do it through Bluetooth. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.